We're still hunting kangaroos. I have seen one, but it was too elusive, and I was only able to see them for a split second. And finally, we found the herd of kangaroos. Yeah. And he is the happiest. Good morning. So we are now at Westerfold, and we're gonna be hunting kangaroos. Hi, good morning, and we are currently at the Westerfold Parks, and I'm with Pablo. Yeah. So we are currently on a hunt for 3, 4, 5, 6, a lot. Oh my god. And there you go. A lot of wild time. There you go. I'm not sure if what these animals are this. Are these bunnies? Oh, so cute. Oh, a lot of them. There you go. Oh, hi. And we found 2 rainbow parrots. Oh. Cute. Maybe these are lovebirds. What do you think? And we're still in a hunt of we're still hunting kangaroos. I have seen one, but it was too elusive, and I was only able to see them for a split second. Aw, friendly bird. Hi. What's your name? And finally, we found the herd of kangaroos. Yeah. And he is the happiest. Aww. There are a lot of them. Finally. I think we can get closer. We should. Aww. Let's try to get closer from them. Hi, baby kangaroos. Hi, mother kangaroos. This one is big. Hi. I'm sorry. I just wanted to take a photo of you guys. Look. Aww. Aww. Yay! I'm sorry. Aww. Sorry guys. I'm going away. Yay. There you go. A lot of them. A herd of kangaroos. Ah. Finally, we're in Australia. What parrot are this one? These are the... Are this the one which are noisy about that? The noisy one?
Yes.
Aww. These are parrots. Oh, kayo ba? Gusto niyong tumira sa bahay na to? Hi guys!